Hi everyone, and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I am here with Chef Val from OUTU School of Community Medicine, which I always love. I mean, I feel like we have a really good time.
We do.
And speaking of that, how can you not go wrong with chocolate banana bread?
Right.
Cake, whatever you want to call it.
Right.
So tell me a little bit about it.
Okay, so we're just doing a little bit healthier option since Valentine's Day is coming up, and so we're replacing some of the ingredients to just a little bit healthy options,
Like those little steps that we've talked about before.
Right. So instead of using all white flour or using part whole wheat flour, we're using some banana and some yogurt in place of an applesauce in place of the oil. I mean, we have some oil, but we're just replacing a little bit of that. So no, you don't want to eat the entire cake, but if you're going to have a slice of cake, then this is going to be a little bit healthier option.
Okay, so yeah, we're just talking about making those 1, 2 little even baby steps to help improve your health and wellness.
Right.
In different ways. And it's Valentine's, so you want to have a sweet treat.
So we have AP flour, all-purpose flour, whole wheat flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, salt, and then that's our dry ingredients.
Okay.
And then our wet ingredients are mashed up bananas. So if you have really ripe bananas, as you know, banana bread is a great way to go. And then we have applesauce, yogurt, oil, and vanilla. So we're using canola oil. You could use olive oil with that, or avocado oil.
And yogurt being like stay vanilla, unsweetened, I mean anything like that we have to be aware of?
I mean, you could use a vanilla yogurt, but it is going to have sugar in it, so you probably want to reduce your sugar overall. So this is just a plain low-fat yogurt.
Okay.
So you can use a dairy yogurt, or you could use a plant-based yogurt.
Okay.
A couple of eggs. And so this is just going to all get blended together. That egg is not.
It's just being a little fussy, but you'll get there.
Yep. And so the wet into the dry, this gets blended together, fold in. The most favorite ingredient is the chocolate chips.
Okay.
And then just gets poured into this bundt pan and baked for about an hour.
All right.
Okay. So if you want to go ahead and take a little taster.
Take a bite. I know, I was going to say, do I have to wait? All right, so here is the end result, and I'm going to totally take a taste real fast here because I have to. And it's very good.
Good.
As always, and again, you get that sweet treat with just a few little healthy alternatives to make it better for your lifestyle.
That's right.
Yes, well, thank you very much. If you guys want to learn more about this recipe or any other recipes, go ahead and head to our website, kjrh.com.